Yo, what's up guys, I'm back. It's my birthday today and my present was this GoPro Hero 13 Black Edition. And yeah, I'm going to unbox it and see if it's any good. So yeah, we're going to unbox it now. The package is very good looking. This camera has 5.3K 60 plus 4K 120, 2.7K 240 video. It has a 13x slow-mo. It has HLG HDR video, lens mod auto detection, 27 MP photo, super photo plus HDR plus raw photos, hyperview, time lapse, 8-bit color, night effects, GPS, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters. Okay, so now we're going to unbox it. The package itself is clean. I really love it. Inside there's some papers. Be careful. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. And some clean GoPro stickers. I'm going to put those on my helmet. And pro tips for the best cold weather performance. So inside we got some goodies. We of course got the charger for the GoPro. We got this mount for the helmet. And now like for the GoPro, and then we put it on the helmet. We got this mount that I think we put this one in, and then yeah, this one sticks to the helmet. We got this Enduro battery. They're very good, I've heard, like 4 hours battery time. And one of the last things is this right here that holds this that holds the GoPro in it. Of course, we're missing the GoPro, but now we'll unbox that too. So here's the GoPro Hero 13. It looks very good. We just need to peel it and then we're good to go, I think. So now I'm going to peel it. First, the lens. It's clean. Now I think the oh, this is a screen. That's cool. And then this thick peel. This is so clean. Look at this. I'm so excited to use it. It does not have any battery yet. So yeah, let's just charge it. So guys, we got the GoPro up running now. But we're just, yeah, I just downloaded the GoPro Quick app. And it's, yeah, downloading right now. And then we'll set up the GoPro. And then I'll show you guys footage and stuff. Now we're going to be comparing my old camera, which costed like 20 bucks. Wait, how do I turn it on? Oh wait, this button, it's in the back. This one costed 20 bucks. And this one costed like 900, 800, something like that. No, 750, I think. Okay, so, bro, what is this quality? Like, look, this is with my phone. Compared to the GoPro. Wait, I'm gonna start with turning it on, which is on the side here. We got it on. And by the way, we finished setting it up. Yeah, look at the difference, bro. Okay, so now we're going to be attaching the like GoPro to the helmet. I think I'm just going to put it on the top for start. And yeah, I put this GoPro sticker on from here. So yeah, let's just get started. What's up guys? So now we're outside and yeah, this is one day after. I got my bike here and I'm filming on the GoPro. Wait, I'm gonna take off my helmet and we're going to ride down. Yeah, that's the city. We're going to be riding down this hill it's like kilometer, no, like 1 mile or something, maybe 1.5 to my home. And yeah, I'm gonna just talk while I'm riding. I'm going to be writing down, so maybe you guys hear some wind, but hopefully the GoPro block it the wind, you know. Wait, so I have to attach the GoPro to the wait, I'm attaching the GoPro right now to the helmet, my bike helmet, not my dirt bike. My GoPro only has 10 battery, 10% left, so I have to make it pretty quick. Okay, so putting my helmet on. Yeah, that's probably good. So I'm gonna edit it so on top left, you guys will see my speed. And yeah, let's just get started. Wait, I'm gonna pull on the speedometer app on my phone also, just to check it's accurate. Wow. Okay, so now we have the speedometer app on my phone. Wait. Okay, we got the speedometer app. I'm gonna just put my phone in my pocket. And yeah, let's just go down. Okay, so guys, yeah, let's start. First of all, look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Not every day we see something like this, but look at this. So it's facing outside. I think I can see it on the... Oh, wait. My helmet's not really on. Wait, I have to... So look at that. It's so beautiful outside. So I'm on. So I live down with the church. Yeah. So we have to wait. Did I attach it? Yeah, I'm good. Look at this, man. It's so beautiful. And it's so slippery. Now I'm facing. Yeah, let's just go. I might fall. My friend fell today. I have it on camera actually. Maybe I'll post it sometime. And sorry for my bad English, guys, bro. I don't speak that good English, but I'm trying my best. And also on content, I don't post that much, but I will be posting more now because I'm locked in. I spent 5 hours today filming clips on my bike and my bicycle, my mountain bike, and I'm going to be buying an e-bike, as some of you know. And wait, let me do a shout out list. Shout out to Musman. Shout out to Carter Rides. Shout out to I'm gonna just say 2 Vidar, because he's always commenting on my videos. Yeah, shout out to him, and shout out to Sranster. I don't know. And guys, please like and sub. It likes me make my day, because like I've been spending like so much time on like editing now my videos. I just try my best. I'm not best. Okay, so it's not that slippery right here. Let me pull over. Oh yeah, I'm good. Wait, I can. Oh, there's a car coming. Wait. Okay, the car switched sides, but another one is coming. Bro. Okay. I think I'm good. No car. Bro. I have some pretty good wheelie clips from today. I went biking for a few hours. And I got some pretty good wheelie clips. Like, listen. My brakes to work in the snow. I have like I don't have no lights on. Wait. Okay, I have my lights on now. And my front light. Wait, wheelie. Bro, I'm washed. One. Hello. Break. Wait, there's a car coming. Wait, I'm gonna try to go like pretty fast down here. And then I'm almost at my house. And guys, by the way, the GoPro camera, I love it. It's like, it's amazing. I wish they sponsored me, but they didn't. I got it. But yeah, it's an amazing camera. And I'm so happy for it. I'm so glad my dad got me it. Oh, my brakes fell. Bro, my brakes just fell. Wait, and pop one more wheelie before I end. Wait, this is my home? Okay. Wait, my dad's not home yet. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.